Hello students. Last presentation we had discussed on numerical on isobaric process, isochloric process and isothermal process. Today we will discuss on isentropic or adiabatic process and polytropic process. Isentropic or adiabatic process. A process in which the working substance neither receive or nor give out heat to its surrounding during its expansion or compression is called as a adiabatic process. This will happen when the working substance remains thermally insulated so that no heat enter or leaves in during the process. PVT relation for adiabatic process. Gamma is adiabatic index. So PVT relation is T1 upon T2 is equal to P1 upon P2 raised to gamma minus 1 upon gamma is equal to V2 upon V1 raised to gamma minus 1. Gamma is adiabatic index. Change in internal energy is equal to mCV T2 minus T1. Work done by the gas for adiabatic process is P2V2 minus P1V1 upon gamma minus 1. Heat supply or heat transfer for adiabatic processes. We know that heat supply or heat transfer in case of adiabatic process is 0. So therefore Q is equal to 0. Change in enthalpy. Change in enthalpy is equal to mCp T2 minus T1. Polytropic process. The polytropic process is also known as general law for the expansion and compression of gases and is given by the relation PV raised to n is equal to constant, where n is polytropic index, which may have any value from 0 to infinity depending upon the manner in which the expansion or compression has taken place. PVT relation for polytropic process. Relation is T2 upon T1 is equal to P2 upon P1 raised to n minus 1 upon n is equal to V1 upon V2 raised to n minus 1. N is polytropic index. Change in internal energy. Change in internal energy is equal to mCV T2 minus T1. Work done by the gas. In work done in polytropic process is P2V2 minus P1V1 upon n minus 1. Heat supply or heat transfer in polytropic process. Heat supply and heat transfer in polytropic process is gamma minus n upon gamma minus 1 into mR T1 minus T2 upon n minus 1. Change in enthalpy is equal to mCp T2 minus T1. Thank you.